Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Stripe for automated billing workflow detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Stripe website at www.stripe.com. Click on the Start Now button in the top right corner. Fill in your email address and click Continue. Check your email for a verification link from Stripe and click on it. Create a strong password for your account. After setting your password, complete any additional security prompts if needed. Once logged in, you will be prompted to provide your business details. Fill out the necessary information, such as your business name, type, and address. Provide your business's tax identification number if applicable. Enter your bank account details for payouts. Review the details carefully before proceeding. Click on the Submit button to complete registration. You will be directed to the Stripe dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and available features. Navigate to the Developers tab to access API keys. Copy your publishable key and secret key for integration. Head over to the Billing section to set up automated billing. Click on Products to create a new product for billing. Fill in the product details, including name and pricing. Save the product once all information is filled in. Next, navigate to Customers to start adding customer profiles. Click Add Customer and fill in the required details. Once customers are added, move to the Subscriptions tab. Click on Create Subscription and select a customer and product. Define the billing cycle and any additional settings. Review the details and click Create Subscription. Test your setup by creating a sample charge using the test environment. Monitor your dashboard for any issues or errors. Adjust settings as needed for an optimal billing workflow. Finally, switch from test mode to live mode when ready to start accepting payments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.